In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy storage on your iPhone 8 Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start talking about how to increase your iCloud storage, I just want to make something very clear. If you want to physically increase the storage capacity of your iPhone 8 Plus without using iCloud, this is not possible. The device comes with a fixed amount of storage that cannot be expanded, so keep that in mind. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase the storage available on your iCloud to back up your data and access it from other devices. So all that you have to do to increase your iCloud storage is to access the settings on your device. When you go over to these settings, tap your Apple ID and you should find the iCloud options. Inside of the iCloud category, you will be able to go over to Manage Storage. When you choose Manage Storage under the amount that you currently have stored on your iCloud, you will be able to find the option to upgrade your iCloud storage. So tap Upgrade and you will now be displayed with the plans available. So usually there will be a free plan that is selected by default with the amount displayed at the left, and then the other plans with the specific amount of storage that they are going to give you. So for example, you could get 50 gigabytes for $1 a month, 200 gigabytes for $3 a month, or 2 terabytes for $10 a month. Keep in mind that these prices and sizes might change, and regardless, you just have to select any of these options that you would like to acquire, and you will be able to buy more storage for your iCloud. And like I said, you can access everything stored on your iCloud from other devices and also use it to back up your data. By effectively managing your storage and not utilizing iCloud, you will be able to optimize the space on your iPhone 8 Plus. You can repeat this process as needed and you can cancel it at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy storage on iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.